Hey everybody! Did you get the check engine light in your Citroen DS4 and after you pulled the codes you met the lovely P1445 fault code? Don't worry and stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you what causes the problem and how to get rid of it for good and many more. So this is a DPF fault code. You will have to remove your DPF filter, get it cleaned and then let the ECU know that you have done the job. So let's jump into it. Leave the front of your car, get under it and you should see the DPF filter straight away. It is that big chunky thing in front of your oil pan. It's held in place by two clamps. There's also the particle filter additive pipe connected to it. So remove the clamps and undo the pipe and then remove the DPF filter as well. Once it's out, inspect it how dirty it is. We will submerge it in the DPF cleaning fluid. You can also use a pressure washer and wash it out before and after you let it sit in the DPF cleaning fluid. So grab a bucket and the cleaning fluid, pour it out and let the DPF filter sit in the fluid overnight. Then flush the DPF filter with the pressure washer as I said before. Install back the DPF filter. Now to the programming part. Hook up your diagnostic tool and in the live data section select the exhaust parameters. Here you can see everything what you need to know. The amount of soot in your DPF filter, how many miles you have left before the reset or replacement. Also how much of the additive you have left in the tank. By the way, if you have the particle filter additive level 2 low error message appeared in your dash, I have a specific video on that. You can watch it by clicking the card in the end of this video. Also you can see when was the DPF filter replaced or reset the last time. So get into the special function menu and from there select the parts replacement submenu. Scroll down till you see the replacement of additive tank and the particle emission filter replacement buttons. Click on each of them and follow through the instructions. And you are done. If you check again the live data of the exhaust system, you will see that now everything is reset. And you also got rid of the fault code. So you have successfully cleaned and reset your DPF filter. You can now enjoy your car trouble-free again. Side note, if you see this kind of foam coming out of your exhaust, don't get scared. It is just the cleaning fluid leaving your exhaust system. So let all the foam come out, it takes max 10 minutes and you are good to go.